What I have found very helpful for myself is to consider the major attributes of God, of Spirit, and know that I am a part of God, and those attributes are in me also. Those attributes are things like life. There is only one life. That life is God's life. That life is perfect. That life is my life now. And as I speak these words, I can feel this changing my attitude. I can feel it changing the way my spirit feels. And the next thing would be, another attribute would be light, and knowing that I am one with the life of God. And the life of God shines down, illuminates me, shows me the way, shows me the path, and brings to me whatever knowledge I need if I will just open myself up to it and know that it's there, and know that it is willingly given to me, and it is a blessing. When I think of the love of God, I know that I am enveloped in the love of God. God is pure love. God enfolds me right now. I am surrounded by, immersed by the love of God. And I send that love out to all the world, and it sends it back to me as God does.